Imagine a bed that literally unfolds into an entire tiny apartment. In the next seconds, you'll see how one transforming multi-layer bed could replace your bedroom, desk, closet, and living room, all in a single moving structure. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how this imaginary bed stacks, slides, and folds to create different modes: sleep mode, work mode, relax mode, and storage mode, all inside one stable, layered structure. Picture this. You live in a tiny room, zero space for a desk or sofa. Every night you push things around just to lie down. What if the bed itself could quietly rearrange its own layers and become whatever you need next? First mode, sleep. The top layer slides up smoothly, forming a wide, soft platform, while all other layers tuck in below like neat drawers. No shaking, no noise, just a steady, glowing outline that says, "Time to rest." Now, with one simple gesture, the top layer glides aside, revealing a second layer that rises and locks flat, turning into a work surface. The upper layer becomes a shaded backboard, and suddenly your bed is a compact office. You're done working and want to relax. The desk layer gently sinks, while a middle layer curves upward into a reclining lounge surface, with small fold-out side panels turning into mini shelves for books or snacks. Storage mode is where it gets clever. Lower layers slide out in opposite directions like staggered steps, each one a shallow compartment. An abstract icon appears on each to hint what could be stored, keeping the room visually calm, not cluttered. To stay safe and stable, all the moving parts share one central spine running through the bed. Every layer moves along this same invisible rail, so nothing wobbles or disconnects, even when multiple layers slide at once. Now imagine connecting this bed to simple sensors. It recognizes your schedule, gently shifts from sleep mode to work mode before your alarm, or slides into relax mode after your last task, all while keeping the same compact footprint. So here's the big idea. Instead of filling your tiny room with separate furniture, you design one transforming multi-layer bed that changes around you. Which mode would you actually use most? Sleep, work, relax, or storage?